how to make $10 for free as a beginner, and you could do this from the comfort of your home. So you can work from home, you can make money $10 over and over again for absolutely free. The reason why I'm creating this video is because, in some of my previous videos, people have reached out to me and said, "Hey, Andre, can you make, a video in particular to someone who's brand new, someone who's never made money online, and just so that they could use the skill set that they have and they can make money." And I said, "Why not?" So I went out, did some research, and try to find the best possible way as a beginner where you can make money and you can make $10 over and over again, and you can work from the comfort of your home. So if you're first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. I would like for you to comment down below if you're brand new, if you like me to create videos on how to make money online. Comment down below any title. I'll go out there, I'll do some research, I'll make sure it's good before I create a video on it. If it's something that's not good and it's going to serve the public, I'll not create it, but I'll just comment on whatever comment that you left under the YouTube channel. I would say, "Hey, I did my research, it didn't look safe, so I don't recommend it." So everything that I do recommend, I've tried personally in the past, and some of them I'm still doing here and there, but my main focus is all about marketing. So this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, become a part of this, and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. All right, so as I said before, I'm going to give you a couple of different websites that you can go and you can earn money online right now. How to make money using these methods. I'm going to give you a tool at the end, so try not to skip ahead and go all the way to the end. So I'm going to give you a free tool that you can use for absolutely free, that this method doesn't require any money. It's a free way to make money. So head on over to this website. This website is called guru.com. So go to guru.com. And what this particular website is, as you can see, it's very clean. It's all about find and hire expert freelancers. Now, you don't have to worry about becoming a top expert at a certain particular niche. What I'm going to show you is an easy way. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a pro to make money from this particular website. So far they have over 800,000 employees worldwide. So this is worldwide. They have 1 million paid invoices, over $250 million paid to the freelancer. That's going to be you. So you're not going to hire anybody. You're not going to be posting jobs. These are some of the things that this particular websites offer. So they have programming, they have developing, you can do writing, translation, there's design, there's business, finance, and sales, marketing, legal, educational training. All this stuff you could just come through here, and you could see all the skills that they have. So if you click on the skill sets, right over here, you could see all the different things that you can participate in. So if you're good in an area, because there's a lot of people right now, they don't have a lot of jobs, and what you could do, you can then use your skill set and you could fill these works. For example, let's say Facebook API developers. I know someone personally who's a Facebook API developer right now. They're making a ton of money just by doing that. So you can freelance because there's people out there that are looking for you. They're willing to pay you. And what they do, they come to these particular websites like guru.com. You can do a book writing, you can do English translator if you're really good at English. If you speak Spanish, you could translate. If you in China, you could translate that to Chinese. There's ebook writers, there's medical writers. If you're in the medical field, there's 3D modelers, all these different careers and different jobs that you could do. But what I'm going to show you right now is a super easy, fun way that you can make money and you could do this. So I'm going to go into the logo design. Now, logo design is a thing that is consistently, people are always looking for logo. My wife the other day wanted to create an ebook and she had to go out on one of these websites. And I'm going to give you another website too. She had to go out and she had to pay somebody, I think it's like $15 just to put it together. So can you imagine if you have 10 customers every single day, coming to you with $15 projects and $15 work? You're looking at $150 each day. What would that do for you? For 10 days, you're making $1,500. So you can make money. See, there's people in California right now. This guy is in California. He's doing $20 an hour, starting at 500. This guy is starting at 25. He's doing $15 an hour. He's doing logo design. He's from India. So shout out to the people in India right now, because this would be a good place to start to make a little bit of money there. This guy is he's doing logo design, $40 an hour. Starting point, you're looking at 250. So if you come through here, you see starting at 25, people are making $25. You're starting. So if you want to sign up, you could click on here and you could just sign up. You can find jobs if you're looking for jobs, right? So there's different jobs on here. You could send quote to some of these people because they posted on there. Sell my online software, 85%, fixed price over 25K. So if you sell it, you're gonna get paid. This guy, he's in sales and marketing. So if you could sell it, this is a 7-day free trial, which is easier to get sale on it and all that stuff. So people create courses in logo design. You could sign up, you could post a job, but you don't need to post a job. So you go and sign up. It's loading right now. Once you sign up, I don't know why it's taking so long. So you click on the sign up tab. It's taking a little bit before it comes through, but you know exactly what I'm talking about. It goes there, you sign up for it. Once you sign up, you can start to offer your services, depends on what rate you want to do, and you could do design. So the next website that I wanted to share with you is People Per Hour. It's still good. You can make a ton of money on here, right? So I'm gonna search logo design. And there it is. There's like $10. This person is charging 10. This person is 125, 25, 25. There's 30. There's 155. There's 20. So people have different prices. So if I were you when you just started out, $10 would be a sweet spot. So $10 would be good. It's it's not gonna get you rich, but over time you can increase it to $40, and then you can increase it to $50, and you can increase it to 65. There's people back here. Look at that. 15, 15, 15. There's 10. There's 15. There's 10. There's 50. Because most people like to go here and they like to search. They want to come through and they say, all right, well, this person, let me view what this guy is doing. He's willing to create unique thumbnail. All right, 2-day delivery. He's doing all that. You can come in here and you can read his bio. So I create amazing logo animation for website, YouTube channel, company, apps, all that. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is, after you set up your account and everything on these two websites, just head on over to freelogodesign.com. So free logo design, you can come over here and you can see the different categories of what you want to choose from. For example, someone said, well, my business is cleaning and maintenance. And you could say Jack Cleaning Biz. Click on get started. And what it's going to do, it's going to populate, as you can see, Jack Cleaning Biz, Jack Cleaning Biz, Jack Cleaning Biz, Jack Cleaning Biz. So these are some of the different logos that you can create. So you could create these logos. There's over 4 different pages. All right. So far, this is the 3rd page. This is the 4th page. Right. So you come on here, you can see the 3rd page. Like these are looking good. Like this, Jack Cleaning Biz, Jack Cleaning Biz. The biz is hiding there. This is kind of different. That is cool. This is like a lawn mowing service. That looks like painting. Jack Cleaning is like fire person. This, it's kind of hiding. So Jack Cleaning Biz. Some of these, you want to look at it. You want to make sure it looks good. So if you would personally buy it, then yeah, anybody else would buy it. So children's stuff, you can look and see like the kids stuff. Communications. There's computer. Is Jack not cleaning biz with a computer, but you get the idea. So you could just add it. You could click on it. You could design it, make it looks good. And then what you could do is once you set it up and you put it on here, you can add shapes, you can add text, you can add a logo, you could change the background, you could set it up as much as you want it and make it looks good. So it's going to look good once you're done, and then you go back to the website, you offer your services, you collect it, and it's free. It's all it's going to do is take a little bit of your time, but it's free. So yeah, create a logo, and you could do that, and you can make money. So how you can make $10 for free as a beginner, work from home, that's the video that I just created. If you're looking for my number one recommendation of how I make money, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. And if you want to learn how to make $110 just copy and paste on Amazon, this would be the website that you want to visit. Go check this out right now, and you can see what I'm talking about. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.